Number system. A number system is simply a method of counting. There are many number systems in existence. Consider a clock. Clocks have 24 hours. Each hour composed of 60 minutes. Each minute is in turn composed of 60 seconds. When you learned to count, you used the numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. Similarly, computers also have their own number system, known as the binary number system. The digital computer represents all kinds of data and information like audio, graphics, video, text, and numbers in binary form. The total number of digits used in the number system is called its base or radix. Therefore, when someone says that they are working with number system of radix 2, it means base 2, that is binary number system. The base is written after the number as subscript, such as 512 base 10. In this example, the number 10 is written as the subscript to express the number in decimal number system. There are 4 types of number systems, which are as follows. 1. Decimal number system. 2. Binary number system. 3. Octal number system. 4. Hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is a standard number system for denoting numbers. It consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. Only these digits can be used to represent numeric value in decimal number system. Hence, the base of decimal number system is 10. The decimal number system is the most widely used number system. The value represented by individual digit depends on the weight and position of the digit. The position of first digit towards left side of the decimal point is 0. The position of second digit towards left side of the decimal point is 1. Similarly, the position of first digit towards right side of decimal point is -1. The position of second digit towards right side of decimal point is -2, and so on. The value of a number is determined by multiplying the digits with the weight of their position and adding the results. This method is known as expansion method. The rightmost digit of the number has the lowest weight. This digit is called least significant digit, LSD. The leftmost digit of a number has the highest weight. This digit is called most significant digit, MSD. The digit 7 in the number 724 is the most significant digit and 4 is the least significant digit. The given table shows positional weight of decimal number 724 base 10. Weights, real value of each digit, result, hundreds, tens, units. Weights, 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 0. Real value of each digit, 7 times 10 raised to the power 2, 2 times 10 raised to the power 1, 4 times 10 raised to the power 0. Result, 724. Binary number system. The word binary comes from bi, meaning 2. We see bi in words such as bicycle, 2 wheels, or binocular, 2 eyes. The binary numbers have the base of 2. A computer is a machine made up of transistors, switches, and other components. All these electronic components are in 2 mutually exclusive states, either on or off. The 2 binary digits represent these 2 states. Every instruction given to a computer is converted into zeros and ones, so that it can be understood and implemented by the computer. Binary language is therefore known as the machine language. A binary number is made up of only zeros and ones. Example of binary number 110100. There is no 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 in binary. Name, size, bits, examples. Bit 1, single digit, either 0 or 1. Nibble, 4. Group of 4 digits. Byte, 8. Group of 8 digits. Word, 16. Group of 16 digits. Let us first learn how to form binary numbers. As the binary number system consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1, hence its base is 2. Each digit or bit in binary number system can be 0 or 1. A combination of binary digits may be used to represent different quantities like 1001. The positional value of each digit in binary number is twice the place value or face value of the digit of its right side. The weight of each position is a power of 2. The place value of the digits according to position and weight is as follows. Position 3, 2, 1, 0, decimal, -1, -2. Weights 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 0. Decimal 2 raised to the power -1, 2 raised to the power -2. Octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. Hence, the base of octal number system is 8. In this system, the position of each digit represents a power of 8. Any digit in this system is always less than 8. Octal number system is used as a shorthand representation of long binary numbers. The number 841, base 8, is not valid in this number system as 8 is not a valid digit. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A to F. The letters A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. The base of this number system is 16. Each digit position in hexadecimal number system represents a power of 16. For example, the number 764, base 16, is a valid hexadecimal number. It is different from 764 base 10, which is 764. This number system provides shortcut method to represent long binary numbers.